Hello all, this is Rajana Yogeshwar. I'm currently pursuing my BTech in 4th year from Computer Science of Engineering Department. So as to state my experience with FireShark, it was a nice ride. I've learned a lot of things because in terms of cybersecurity and as a pursuing student, I'd like to experience things more closer to the real world. So in terms of that, FireShark has really provided an opportunity for us to really work on those incidents. So we did a lot of bug hunting. I personally learned a lot of bug hunting, vulnerability assessment, which are more closer to the real world scenarios. So overall experience with the FireShark was a great prize. Thank you.